AX Sound Laboratory. It's a semi-pro venture for the post-production needs. Are you a producer or creator? Do you have an ongoing video for commercial, industrial, education or training? If you need a background track or any sound from nature, animals, weather, or any domestic effect, please feel free to download any of our tracks. You can use them in any of your personal or professional projects. Just please help us and subscribe to our channel. Explore our library. Add your comments. We can improve in time. And don't forget to like and subscribe. AX Sound Laboratory. Echo Art Creations.